Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the new tutorial from the SketchUp Arc Studio YouTube channel. I hope you'll be fine and good. My name is Surush and today we have some new tutorial about the rendering. But this time I'm going to show you how you can convert your sketches to the realistic images. So today we're going to use AI. I'm going to click on the Google Chrome. I'm going to type promeai.com and this is the main website we can see in here. We have lots of options in here like the converting sketches to the renders, converting photo to the sketches. Sometimes you can use Photoshop jobs like the erase and replace on your pictures. As you can see, this is the interactive preview of the erase and replace. And we have image variation and other type of things in here. I'm going to use sketch rendering in this place and I'm going to use upload option. But before I upload my images, as you can see, we have different type of models in here, and this is some type of ready models and some examples of the AI rendering. So this is the images I took with the previous project, and it's not really serious. My account is not the premium and I use free mode. So I'm gonna start uploading my job in here. I'm gonna press upload in this place. I'm gonna go to the download folder and I'm gonna add some of these sketches. For example, this sketch in here. I'm gonna open this sketch right now. As you can see, this is the sketch we have from the interior design, some type of bedroom. So I'm gonna click on it and press open. Now it will upload for us right now. So how we can took the realistic render with the AI in the promeai.com website. So first of all, we have render mode. You can change your render mode to the precise, concept, space, or outline. It depends on you and your job. But I suggest you to use precise if you want realistic renders. You can use concept if you want creative sacrifice of the precision. But for the imagination and accuracy, you must use precise option in here. So at the common mode, you have different type of categories about the rendering. It can be a gaming, it can be a garden or landscape design, it can be related to the architecture, and usually we can use it in the exterior renderings, or product design. But we need interior design in here. And I have some bedroom in this place. So I'm going to click on the bedroom. And in the top side, we have different type of models of the architecture, like the modern, tradition, medieval, farmhouse, or transition. I'm going to use farmhouse in here, or I can use modern in this place. It depends on you. Actually, my favorite architecture is the Asian modern, so I'm going to click on it, and it's done for me. In the render mode, I select precise, and you can see the differences between concept, space, and outline. But I think precise is better. For the third step, an important step in here, we have some description about our creation. So, for example, I'm going to type floor must be woody and wall must be plaster. So I can use comma in here. I can open my caps lock and type realistic render and warm color lights. All of them is my description in this place. I describe what I want from the AI. So now I'm going to click on the generate option. As you can see, it takes a little bit time and you can have three type of renders. The first one is the free, the second and the third is the premium. I'm going to use first one. As you can see, this is the result of it. I can download it in this place and I can open it to see what happened on this image. As you can see, the result is not bad, but it can be better. So it depends on your description. Another time, I'm going to try another render, something about, for example, this render. I'm going to click on the upload option in here, and now I have this. This time I'm going to change my rendering mode on the concept or space. So, as you can see in the description, we have suited for real life photos or 3D model screenshots. So I'm going to use the space option in here, change my interior design to the living room, and I need some German mixed architecture. This time I don't want to type anything and I only want to render with the AI. So I'm going to see what is the result without typing description. As you can see, the first one is the better than the previous. So this render is much better than the previous render. As you can see, we create these render very simple. I think under than 1 minute. Please comment your opinion about the future of the architecture and development of the AI design. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and goodbye.